Okay, we're out in Palm Desert today and we're taking out this Rainbird Wi-Fi controller. Why might we be doing that, you might be thinking? Well, our client doesn't like the way this operates and I don't either, so we're actually switching it out with the, I can't find it, but the Ratio Smart Controller. This is a much better option, it's cleaner, works better, and is easier to use. Check it out. It's always best before you connect the Wi-Fi controller and take out the old controllers and take all the wires apart. Go ahead and get it connected to your Wi-Fi. Make sure it will work before you go through all that trouble. So that's what we're gonna do here. Okay, here's your finished product. Always put your sticker on there if you're a professional. Shows you take pride in what you do. Why switch out to this Ratio 12 station controller? Well, Ratio's app is so much easier to use, way better, cleaner. The actual product I think holds up better, stays connected to Wi-Fi better, and overall one of the pain points for our client was that he couldn't tell what zone was on. See, with the Ratio on the faceplate you can tell what zone is on. That was a problem for him. So it's a better product. We've been using them for years and we've tried out every smart controller. This is the best one, especially in Palm Desert. This will work the best in the heat. Thanks for watching.